Hey friends, hello and welcome. On the screen you can see a coin of Shashanka of Gowda. In this video, I am going to take up a topic which is very much interesting from the point of view of history optional, but for general purpose you can also hear. The issue of monetary anemia during the early medieval age is very much interesting. It has been debated by many historians. Now, what is the issue and how did it arise? The early colonial historians portrayed early medieval age as the dark age of Indian history. They emphasized that it was the age of degeneration. Economy was based on agriculture. Secondary and tertiary economic activities were absent. Not to support their interpretation, it was emphasized that coins were absent in North India and there was monetary anemia. However, now recent researches carried out by historians such as Parmeshwari Lal Gupta have found that coinage was never absent in India during early medieval age. During the period from 750 to 1000 AD, level of monetization was low. But during 11th to 12th century, this level was quite high. A large number of silver coins belonging to 9th and 10th centuries were found at Harikela in Bangladesh. Plus, as we have seen, Shashanka issued gold coins. Copper coins were issued in Kashmir as well during this age. Here is a copper coin of Kashmir. We should also remember that these coins were supplemented by bills of exchange which were named as hundis. In the literature of 11th and 12th century, terms like Nishka, Rupka, Dinar, Drama are also used quite commonly. These were the names of different types of coins. Now, Kalachuri King Gangai Deva issued gold coins. Gehedwala King Madan Pal issued copper coins known as Drama. Chauhan rulers of Delhi, Ajmer also issued a large number of coins. Some of their coins were restruck by Muhammad Ghori. Their coins had the image of horse riders and goddess Lakshmi. Now, what all these evidences and references suggest? This suggests that the level of monetization was quite high during 11th and 12th century. So, why are the colonial historians calling it a phase of monetary anemia? John S. Dale suggests that there was a decline in aesthetic quality of coins. The number of coin types had decreased and the message content has also decreased. However, as per John S. Dale, there does not seem to have been a decline in the volume of coins in circulation. So, overall, we should understand that this was not the case of monetary anemia. The colonial historians just wanted to portray that India suffered from a monetary anemia during early medieval age. This was part of their plan. This plan can be reflected in the post-Mauryan 5 centuries, early medieval age, and the 18th century. So hope you guys enjoyed this video on the topic of issue of monetary anemia during the early medieval period. Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos on history related subjects and UPSC related subjects. Thank you.